I had a Coke in my fridge, so I thought, what better time to drink it than when I'm making a stock price prediction video about Coca-Cola stock. So let's jump into this chart. So I got Coca-Cola's, let me take a sip here first. Oh, that's good stuff. We've got Coca-Cola's stock chart pulled up. I see a nice pattern on here. I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention. They just posted earnings today, so the earnings call is behind us. We don't have to worry about the volatility of an earnings call during this trade, so that's great. The earnings call was also pretty positive from what I'm seeing in this article right here. Basically, they posted per share profits that were higher than the street was expecting, also higher than the same period last year. They also said that they are going to, they announced it was spinning off a portion of its South Africa-based business as an independent publicly traded company. So a lot of good information here in this earnings call. I won't get into that too much more. I want to focus on the chart pattern that I see here and how we're going to trade this stock. All that said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. It's for entertainment purposes only. I will probably be trading this with my own money if this pattern continues to play out a little bit more. So I will be putting my own money where my mouth is, but not a financial advisor, right? So please make sure you're doing your own due diligence. Okay, so if you can't tell what we're looking at yet, or if you haven't looked up at the top of the screen, you can see I have a cup and handle pattern pulled up to show you guys as a reference point what pattern we're going to be looking for here. This is Coca-Cola's chart. So the cup that I'm looking for is right here, and the handle is right here. Okay, so there is a lid to this cup and handle right here. So we've already made our handle. We've already broken out above the handle. For me personally, I'm waiting on one or two more candlesticks probably. I could see this one pulling back and retesting this handle and then bouncing off and heading to the upside. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they just shoot straight up to the upside. But I'm going to wait a little bit. This isn't a big mover anyway. I don't think we're going to miss all of our gains on this play in the next day or two. So I'm not super worried about that. Coca-Cola is a very stable stock. It's not volatile. It's a slow mover. But we do have a chart pattern here that I think we can play out with some reduced risk. So if you're looking to mitigate some risk on some of these trades, this would be a pretty low risk trade here because Coca-Cola is such a stable, blue chip stock. So interesting one here if if you're looking for some pretty good upside potential, but you don't want to risk a lot. So all that said, let's get right into it super quick on this one today. I think this should be a pretty quick video. I'm going to give you guys the price target on this cup and handle. Let me show you how it works. You have a bull trend coming up into the cup. You have your cup right here form. You have your handle right here form. You get this lid, and then your breakout, your target is basically a measurement of the depth of the cup. Right, so whatever the depth of the cup from the bottom of the cup up to the lid is, that movement, that price right there, you add that to the lid over here, and that is your price target. So let's do that here on Coca-Cola. Now our lid is a little bit slanted, so that means our price projection over here is going to be a little bit lower, right, because the lid comes down a little bit. But that's A-OK because I guess I should say A-O-K-O or A-K-O, right? The ticker is K-O. All right, bad dad joke there, guys. I need to stop doing that. What am I doing? Let's measure from the bottom of the cup right about here all the way to the lid. We get a price movement of, looks like $6.30, right? Right there, $6.30. So we come over here and notice Coca-Cola is currently trading at $54. So we come over here, we take our measurement, and we say, hey, if this thing's going to retrace, I'm projecting it's probably going to retrace a little bit, touch this lid, and it may not. It may just keep going up from here. But I'm going to be conservative here. I think it's going to pull back, touch the lid right here, and then head up $6.30 from there. So we'll measure it out. Oh, we're going off the screen, so I'm going to have to make this a little smaller, and let's do that again. Is that even going to give me enough? Let's make it way smaller. There we go. Let's try that again. Measure from the lid $6.30, and we get a price target in the range of $59.90. So Coca-Cola is currently trading at $54.19. So from here, you're talking about upside of a little more than $5, maybe $5.50 or $5.70, something like that, on a $54 stock. So you're talking about a 10% move to the upside. Again, not a big mover, right? Coca-Cola is not volatile. It's one of the least volatile stocks in the market. So pretty safe play. So if you're looking for a safe trade, this may be the way to go. Your stop loss you would want to set below this blue line. If we break below the lid, then that kind of invalidates a cup and handle trade, right? We're looking for it to break through the lid and up, or maybe come back and test the lid as support at the most. Like I was saying, it might come back down, test it as support, and then head up. But if we come down here and it looks like we're testing it as support and then it breaks down under, then the cup and handle is no longer valid as a trade pattern. That makes the trade dead. Now, you may be a long-term investor in Coca-Cola, and that stuff doesn't matter to you on a day-to-day basis, because over the long term, the very long-term investment plan, you're going to make money on Coca-Cola. This is just a tried and true stock, right? Great dividend, slow grower, but they do still grow some. So, if you're a long-term investor watching this video, you probably don't care about short-term stock chart patterns and trades and stuff like that. But this is good information for you, because this is a very bullish looking pattern. This is a continuation pattern of a bull trend, and we do have that bull trend coming into the pattern, right? Right here we have this bull trend since the March 2020 lows, and we have our cup continuing that trend to the upside. That is the plan here anyway for Coca-Cola. So that's what I've got for Coca-Cola, guys. Real quick and easy one. I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't done a cup and handle pattern on this channel in a long time. We haven't seen a whole lot of them here with the stocks that we've been looking at on this channel. We do the EV stocks and the cryptocurrency stocks and the green energy stocks, and because that's what I've seen a lot of patterns on lately. But the stock market is shifting, right? The EV stocks, the green energy stocks, the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency stocks, they've been beaten up over the last month or so. As we shift into different industries or different sectors of the stock market, we're looking for patterns in other industries, because I'm looking for bullish patterns. I don't want to go short any industry, because I know over the long term the stock market goes up, right? It averages 10%-ish a year on average. So I don't want to play against that. I don't want to increase or I guess decrease my odds of making money, right? I'm not looking to short stuff. So I'm looking for industries that are heading up. And right now, Coca-Cola looks pretty good. Looks like it's heading up. So we are going to be focusing on this. Okay, guys, that's what I've got. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button. I do stock chart pattern analysis just like this in almost every single one of my videos on my channel. We make trades based on these patterns, and it's been a lot of fun. Come along for the ride. I put my money where my mouth is on a lot of these trades, and when I do make a trade, I post a video about it and let you guys know, hey, I got in here, I sold here, whatever. I also let my channel members know in YouTube community posts. If you're interested in becoming a member and seeing my trades in real time, as soon as I hit a buy or a sell on a stock, I let my channel members know. Please consider hitting that join button. It helps me out, my family out, supports the channel, all good things. If you guys want to see any other videos, maybe some how-to videos, I have the links to those down in the description below. You know, how to look at stock charts and how to find patterns and analyze different kinds of stock charts, things like that. So lots of links to good stuff down in the description below. That's all I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in the next one.